Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, once again, I'm back with the another tutorial of ChatGPT, and today in this video we are going to perform named entity recognition through ChatGPT. So first, I have opened a new Jupyter Notebook file. So if you don't know how you can open this file, you can simply go to my YouTube channel and watch these videos. I have made a very amazing playlist on it. So, and the second thing is to open ChatGPT. So without wasting any kind of time, let me move to the ChatGPT. So first of all, first query which I'm going to enter is the what is the named entity recognition in NLP. Okay, so I have used an prompt. What is the named entity recognition in NLP? So the ChatGPT has provided me with a description on it that the name NER is a subtask in NLP, and its purpose is to identify and classify name entities in text into the predefined categories. So fine. So this is a very basic overview of NER in NLP. And so let's ask ChatGPT, provide me a sample code. So how can I perform this in Jupyter Notebook? Basically, I have specifically advised ChatGPT about the performance of NER in Jupyter Notebook, because this can be performed in the various other platforms, and the syntax for all the platform is different. Let's take the example of pip. If we need to pip anything, or if we need to install anything, if I'm using a basic Python, then I will not use it as I will use it in Jupyter Notebook. In Jupyter Notebook, I need to include a apostrophe in front of it. I will explain in the code. So first of all, let's see what ChatGPT has for us. So I have asked it that how can I perform this in Jupyter Notebook. So let's see what it gives us. Okay, so okay, ChatGPT has provided a step-by-step guide. It is saying that install spaCy and download English language model by running the following commands. Okay, first of all, I was talking about this pip style. So if we were not using ChatGPT version of this code in Jupyter Notebook, then or we were using any other kind of platform, then this apostrophe must not have been here. So this is only used in the Jupyter Notebook. So we will simply follow this code into our Jupyter Notebook, and let's see what it gives us. So I'm first of all I'm going to copy this first cell. Okay, let me have some more cells. Okay, I'm going to run it. Basically, I have already installed spaCy and English model in my environment, so it will provide me an output that requirement is already satisfied. So in meanwhile, I will copy the other cells, and the next one is to import libraries. We are using spaCy, then it is making a variable named NLP and loading the English into it. So in the next line, it is providing a text, and in after that, it will use the NLP pipeline. Okay, let's see. It should provide us very amazing result. Okay. I need few more cells, and then we are good to go. Okay. Okay. After that, it is saying that it should show you output. ChatGPT is advising us that what our output will look like. It is saying that it will show this: Apple Incorporation is a organization and New York is a GPE. Okay, let's see. ChatGPT is also explaining something. This will render the name entities as highlighted. Okay. It is saying about the accuracy always depend upon the model and what you want to do with this model. I hope the output is ready. So we have an error here. It is saying that can't find the model en. It looks like you are trying a model from a shortcut, which is absolute as of spaCy. Okay, basically when I installed the spaCy, I had its older version. So let me sort this error. Okay, I have sorted out that ChatGPT has downloaded the wrong model. Actually, this model has been outdated by the spaCy, and here the same model is being called. So what I will do, I will simply copy this code and paste it into the ChatGPT prompt. So it should replace this model with the newer one. Okay, yes, the new code is here. It is saying that you should download this English Core Web SM. Okay, so I need to modify this line of code, and let me copy it here. This will install this new model, and we need to update this field here as well. Sorry, not with this one, with this one. So these errors can be removed by with the help of ChatGPT. I still remember that when I started learning about the data science and all of this stuff, I used to spend hours on studying Stack Overflow and the other help. But now with the help of ChatGPT, we can simply copy our error and paste it into the ChatGPT prompt, and what it will do, it will provide us the solution of that specific issue. So let's wait for the output. So now our model has been downloaded, and after that uh, it has shown us the output as stated by the ChatGPT. Okay, then this is once again rerunning our previous code. So this was simply the basic use of ChatGPT to perform the named entity recognition. Through the use of ChatGPT, we can perform extended variants, and this was a very basic problem to let you guys know that we can perform NLP tasks with the help of ChatGPT. I have planned to make more videos on NLP,